Come in a couple days early, so plan on being here on the 16th.
Saturday's the day of the National.
Something's not right with your heart, Jeff. You really should retire. I play golf on Saturday mornings.
Didn't I tell you golf is the most frustrating game ever invented?
You better hope I have a good round, so I don't take my frustration out on you. Where were you this morning at 8 a.m.?
I was pleased.
What is your relationship with the deceased? You fought her, you hit her, and you killed her, didn't you?
Love you so much, Mom. But I'm sorry.
They ruined her life. They killed her.
But they didn't deserve to be assaulted.
They assaulted her!
They didn't deserve to be tortured.
They tortured my daughter, so I tortured them!
Even knights need a little help sometimes. I'll help you, but I need you to keep fighting for her. Uncomfortable. That's not how the system works, Bennett. I'm your boss. You're my employee. I don't reassign cases because you're uncomfortable. You look beautiful.
I don't know if I can do this.
Of course you can.
I'm not ready.
Oh, honey. Neither was I. But you're strong, baby. You can do this. All that's left now is acceptance.
Sorry to disappoint.
Oh, James. Death accepts you.